Hi guys! So this is what you call electrotherapy, and this product has been all over my feed for the last 3-4 months. So the moment I got my salary for this month, I immediately added it to cart along with a few other Bodywise products. The high frequency wand is from Glamora Luxe, and my mother also wanted to try this for a very long time, so I thought why not give it a shot. Now this high frequency wands come with a serum of their own, which you're supposed to apply to your scalp first, to the roots especially, and then after that you use the different hair wands as per your choice. So I'll apply the serum first. It smells kind of weird, to be very honest, but anyway, let's go ahead with this. I'm applying the serum specifically to those parts of my scalp where the hair has grown sparse over the years, and now I'll just rub it in circular motions and all that jazz, and then brush out the remaining tangles before I start using the comb. It is dermatologically tested, and it's supposed to improve blood circulation in your scalp and enable the growth of new hair. So when I first posted this on my story, you guys started spamming my DMs with all sorts of comments like, oh my god, what have you bought for yourself? May you have a great time and all that. But this is not what you think this is. I mean, I understand and appreciate your concern for my never-ending singlehood, but sorry to disappoint you. This is just an innocent hair wand. Now, before you ask me, does that hurt? Let me tell you, no, it doesn't hurt. It's just a slightly tingling feeling. You'll get used to it. Okay, I've broken the first comb already. Wow. This is not the company's fault. The packaging was perfect, the product was perfect. This is completely my own fault. I was being careless with it, that's why I broke it. But anyway, I won't beat myself up for it. Let's look at the positive side. There are 3 more tubes left to break. The thing with this product is, it takes a long time to actually show results. So there's no transformation that you can look forward to by the end of this video. Rather, you have to use it for 2-3 months in order to be able to see any solid results. You can also use this product on your face. It helps with acne, it reduces breakouts, evens out texture as per the reviews and the descriptions on the website. I have suffered from acne for the last 13 years of my life. It's always been terrible, so you can see me using this product on my face as well. So that's it, I'm done with it. Let's check back after 2 months, shall we? Right now I need to go take a shower. Hope you like this review. Go do what you want with this information. Bye!